I always wanted to make staggering kind of videos. I mean, everything should to be so focused, straight, and productive, but not today because I think this is the right time to fold on that. And I'm being so desirous to show you guys my morning to night routine, and that is really realistic. So, yeah, as a neat aspirant, and nowadays I'm trying really hard to make myself a different breed because I think the world is going so far and everything is doing so well in their life rather than me. So, after waking up at 5 a.m., and for defense, that I didn't woke up intentionally at 5 a.m. It didn't meant to be happen. All of a sudden I woke up and saw the time, and somehow I managed myself to keep opening my eyes because I really don't wanted to miss my classes today. So the first thing I did journaling because I asked a question to ChatGPT that what is the one thing that I should to add in my morning routine that would change my life, and the answer was so basic. He said, I will not gatekeep. The moment you wake up, do not touch the phone. Just took a copy and pen and do whatever you want, like write whatever you want. There is no specific content. So if I tell you about myself, I write every day a 5 to 10 words English word because I'm trying really hard to make myself, a very good speaker. I don't think so it is a right term or not, but I'm using it anyway. Who cares? Because since a very long time I have been observing myself that I'm not a very bold and a short person, and to be really honest, I get so underconfident while talking to a person. So that is why I think I should to work on it more. So yeah, I'm just doing it, and I think I'll get better on it. So after doing all the course, I went straight to my coaching, and I had only 2 classes. The first one was bio, and the next one was chemistry. So after doing all the classes, attending all the classes, I rewarded myself with again chai and बनमस्का का. I'm the big fan of it भाई. And coaching classes के बाद एक nap लेना mandatory था. So after taking that nap, मैंने अपना एक चश्मे का unboxing किया and putting my life on this. It was so pretty. It instantly captures my mind. This was so out of pocket भाई. Do let me know in the comment section that how much would you rate it. I will rate it 1000 out of 10. Yay! Okay, now finally let's move to our study session because I have already wasted a lot of time but not more. So firstly I'll give you update of my all subjects. That देखो अभी तो मेरा टेस्ट आने वाला था, so I'm just giving you the update, test update also. I mean syllabus update. And I want to clear one thing because some people were asking a question that how are you managing, how do you manage class 11th and 12th together? But to be really honest, I did not manage class 11th and 12th together. I study only chemistry and bio of class 12th. I did not touch physics. I only take classes, make the notes and revise that for only once, and that it is. Yeah, so this is how I manage of class 11th and 12th because दो ही subject पढ़ने रहते हैं, so of course it would be easy. Okay, so let's move to the syllabus update. So our test will be started from the 1st Feb, and the first 3 chapters of chemistry and first 3 chapters of bio. Physics का तो मुझे पता भी नहीं क्या आने वाला है because I did not care at all about physics. I only study chemistry and bio because yes, pretty girls only do that. I'm so sorry bhai, pretty girls are crying in corner. Okay, stop it. So if I talk about bio, the bio is going so smooth and I can assure that I will get 350. I can assure bhai because I studied a lot those 3 chapters. The first one is reproduction, reproductive health and sexual reproduction of flowering plants. And chemistry, solution and electrochemistry are about to come. Solution काफ़ी अच्छे से तैयार है, but if I talk about electrochemistry, I haven't started that yet, but I don't think so I need to worry about it because still I have a lot of time, plenty of time to complete that chapter, and probably there is only 8 lectures on that chapter, so it will take only 3 days and 1 day for the question practice and rest day will go for the revise. हाँ भाई, इतने मैंने बोल दिया ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने पढ़ लिया. नहीं भाई, घंटा होगा मेरे से. Okay, for now let's solve the question of solution. Question of solution, and to be really honest, the solution chapter is unaliving my brain. It is literally giving L, to be honest. And I want to share one more thing that I have been struggling a lot these days, like that as I be telling myself every day that main quest energy only for this NEET exam, and then my brain mentally elsewhere. Every day new DLC unlocked. But lucky if we lock in even for 30 minutes, that's still a W. And future is gonna thank us for real. And also the 2 a.m. zoomies are so real. Like why does motivation spawn when it's bedtime? I mean, I just don't get it, bhai. It's okay, it's another day, so I'm just going to do my skincare. Usually I don't do skincare because I don't have money to buy skincare and they are so expensive. भाई देखो मुझसे बोला भी नहीं जा रहा. So today I have, so I'm just going to do that. And it's a CeraVe का moisturizer. ये मेरा नहीं है, it's my sister's. I have borrowed it from her, but it's totally okay. It's totally okay to borrow anything from your sibling, and it's alright. Of course it's alright, and we will do चोरी का सामान लगाएंगे हम. सो हाँ, अपना स्किन केयर करा मैंने, मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया, देन आई अप्लाइड अ फॉक्सीटेल वाला. ये भी मेरे सिस्टर का ही है, मैंने उन्हीं से मांग के लिया है. शी इज़ गोना किल मी इफ़ शी विल वॉच दिस वीडियो. Of course, dead as. But who cares? I don't give a damn about her at all. Okay, so after doing that, I applied a lip balm because भाई मेरे lips इतने dry हो रहे हैं nowadays, and I really want to hydrate it myself. So yes, सस्ता वाली लगाऊंगी, but लगाऊंगी ज़रूर. And I want to ask one question from you guys, that what are you guys choosing this year? I mean, if you're in 12th class, so what you will choose? I mean, a dropper batch or a fresher batch? And if you're in class 11, so do let me know in the comment section that which coaching are you joining, guys. And I want a suggestion as well, that should I choose a dropper batch this year again or not? And if not, so do let me know in the pros and cons as well, so that I can differentiate in that. And yeah, ओके. सो स्किन केयर करने के बाद आई क्विकली साफ़ किया बिकॉज बहुत गंदी वाली भसल मच चुकी थी, एंड आई रियली कांट स्टैंड इन दैट मेस, सो आई हैव टू डू दैट. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई फिल माई वाटर बॉटल, क्योंकि मैं थक चुकी थी अपना रूम साफ़ करके. मैंने पानी पिया, एंड देन आई गेट बैक टू माई स्टडी. सो या, दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट माई डे, होल डे. एंड मैं 12 बजे सो गई थी. सो या, दैट इट इज़ फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. डू लेट मी नो इन दी कॉमेंट सेक्शन कि तुम लोग को नेक्स्ट वीडियो कौन सी चाहिए, एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करना. ओके, सो या, टिल देन, बाय बाय.